Yo, what's happening, guys? We're back with another video here, man. And today we're gonna head up to Wheeling. I'm currently in Fairmont, West Virginia right now. We're gonna head up to Wheeling, West Virginia for the Russ to Riches truck meet. It's in Cabela's parking lot. We're already running behind, so we're gonna go ahead and get on the road. It started at like 4. It's like 5 till 6 right now, so we are running a little bit behind, but that's all right. I was at work, you know what I mean? The people I was riding up with, they already had left before me, but yeah, let's get on the road. I ain't got no truck yet, so we're gonna be taking the Mustang out today. Give you guys a little cold start here. Set y'all up right here on this gas can. Set that up right there. Get a little cold start, you know what I mean? Actually, I told y'all wrong. I'm not really running late. I thought it started at 4, but I just looked at the flyer again and it said it started at 6. So, which is 1 minute from now. We're about an hour away. So we are still gonna be a little late. But yeah, let's go.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s? I just told it. Still that same, in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, yeah, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posted mixtape, cause I don't shorty. I be booted to the morning, PM to the morning. My little Wody wanna bag him, he just wanna roll it. Hold up, don't you owe me? Yeah, you owe me, don't it? Like I'm an island of adventure, how I stay rolling. Tryna diss me, I need you 6 feet. She say she miss me, then she wanna kiss me. Damn, I'm so crispy, Sam got me dizzy. Trouble me, I ain't shy, I keep that glitzy. I was spin bent, yeah, fritz me. What the lick?
Few moments later.
There's a little custom. Look at that right there, custom, man. There's all kinds of custom work going on up here. You got the SEMA. That does look good. I like that. That spike lugs. God damn. That thing is clean, dude. There's a star right here. It's lowered. You got the FTS. That bit leaning right there. What do you think of this one? I like this one right here, man. F-150 Ranger. That thing is clean right there. I know, bro. That. She leaning, ain't she? This had to come from the south, you're right. This thing is clean. That thing's up to my waist. That thing's clean.
Cut out that other shit.
Hey, yo, aim. Yeah. Run it up, Blondo. Run it up, Blondo.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we still riding swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a Pepsi. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't fuck with Texas. Hey, we always strapped, we keep our weapons. My mama from the 8, she slowed it down for me at 7. Used to think Pepsi was the guy before he went to heaven. I knew what Pusha P was before Gunna even said it. Hey, she zero time me keep my weapons.
You're living there.
I'll just make something that I can put the 2 pins in so that it sits down further.
Right.
To remember what that sign say before you come down here to this bitch. Cause you know everybody around this bitch got guns. Hey, see, I'm from Texas. We got Beyonce, Trey the Truth, and we can't forget Devin. Big shout out to them boys, and I can't forget back to Texas. I've been feeling like Luca, how about that shit a blessing.
Man, fortunately we're getting rained out right now. It's all good though. Just sit in the car. Someone beating the box back there. Man, they still going? They said I don't give a fuck about rain. Yo, peep the Domino's topper right there. Alright guys, real quick, first things first, shout out to y'all, man. If y'all watch this video, shout out to y'all. But no, seriously guys, thank you for watching this video. This was like my first serious YouTube video, so I know it wasn't the most lit, the best edit work or best camera work or whatever. This is my first YouTube video of many. I just hope y'all enjoyed it. And also, I want to apologize real quick because I realized that I filmed everything like this when I should have filmed horizontally. So if that was annoying, I apologize. If I would have tried to edit it right to fit the screen, it would have been way too zoomed in, so I didn't do that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I plan on bringing you guys a lot of truck content and maybe even some car content if y'all want to see that too, because I do have plans for the Mustang. But yeah, I'm gonna go to most of the big truck meets here in West Virginia. I'm trying to put West Virginia on the map, man. And also all kinds of truck meets all over the East Coast. I'm talking Florida, South Carolina, freaking Tennessee, Rod Run, man. I really want to go to Rod Run. Heard some fun things about that. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be doing a lot of truck meets, hopefully here soon. Gonna be buying my first truck. I'm gonna build that up. Definitely gonna take it to shows, bring you guys along with me. And yeah, it's time to put West Virginia on the map, man. So again, guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see any truck content, please subscribe, like, comment. You already know. Turn the bell notification on, all that bullshit. So yeah, guys, thank you. And again, it's only gonna get better from here.